kitchen. We are making cake for Father's Day and we need this ingredient. Here I have yogurt, oil, sugar, maida, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla essence, orange essence, yellow food color, pineapple essence. First I'm adding oil, yogurt, now I'm mixing. Wow. Now I'm adding sugar in it. Mix it properly. Now I'm adding baking soda. Mix it together and leave it for 5 minutes. My batter is resting for 5 minutes. I'm sieving maida and baking powder. It's done now. I have dry ingredients and wet ingredients and some essence. Now I'm adding essence in the wet ingredient. I'm adding orange essence. And now I'm adding pineapple essence. Now I'm adding vanilla essence. Now I'm adding yellow food color. If you don't have orange essence, you can add vanilla essence. Food color is optional. Now I'm mixing all together. See how it turned yellow. It's like I'm making an egg. Now I'm adding dry ingredients. Mix it properly. Now I'm adding more. Now I'm adding all of it. Let's mix it nicely. Look, my batter is so thick. We need thick batter. Here I have tin. Let me pour it in. Let me pour in it. is for my dad. This cake is for my son. Whoa! Do you want to eat it? I eat it, and for Papa. Now let's bake it in the oven. So my mama preheat the oven. Let's come. Let's make it together. It's so hot in the oven. It's so deliciosa. I can't wait to try it. See closer. I can't even touch it. I think my cake is ready. My mama going to take a toothpaste like sort. Like this. I don't know what to call it. So he can put it in there. He can show you if you don't know what he's talking about. It's clear. My cake is ready. Now Mama going to take gloves. They're very important. Otherwise your hands can be hot. These cupcakes are really hot. I can even touch it. But with gloves I can touch it. Funny silly eye. I did right in my mom's cup. Ketchup. I eat mice. Actually I eat Papa's. Now I'm going to eat mice. It's nice. Look at my cake. It's yummy and delicioso in my language. And I love this too. I'm going to eat first my. Let me squish it. I can't wait to eat. But now I do want to eat it. First I have to take a big bite. I need more big piece. If you like my recipe, subscribe and hit the like button if you like some more videos. Bye!